What are you doing? You're splashing? You brought your floaties over so you could go swimming? I don't think Buttercup and Shadow are going to be very happy with you. Shadow wants to get a drink. What's she supposed to do now? Huh? Is dirty in there? You shouldn't have. Now your stinky toes are in there. Oh my. Say, oh my. Do you need help? Oops.
Okay.
Okay.